All right, y'all, I love a good challenge, and I definitely got one right here. I got to make a door for this little linen closet. Oh, he's got a track saw. This door is not going to be your average simple door. No, sir. My wonderful clients here at the pool house said, hey, I want a door that blends in with the shiplap. So I was like, I got you, man. Here, hold my beer. I made the door from 3/4 inch birch plywood. None of that MDF crap, man. That stuff don't hold up for nothing. Got the old Craig European hinge jig out. If y'all didn't know it, it was National Bring Your Iron to Work Day. We ironed on some melamine edge banding to give it a really smooth edge. Installed the door to make sure it would fit. Grabbed a straight edge and marked where my shiplap reveals need to go. Pretty cool tool right here. I ordered a 3D printed router base for my track saw, and dude, it worked like a champ. Installed it real quick to give it a check-in. Let's quit messing around. Let's get this thing painted. Got some primer, some finish paint on there, and yep, we're ready to hang this thing one more time. Hold on. We almost done. I can't have any hardware on here, so we're going to use a push to open latch. Well, y'all, I think we did it. Ho, daddy. Yes, sir. He's doing it and doing it well. Got it, coach.